This is Mike, and this is Alex. And today we're going to be doing a Fidget Toy reveal with 4 boxes of the most known Fidget Toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want any of these fidgets, the link for them is going to be down below. So first, we're going to be reviewing this Figet Fidget Toy set. It was $16. It was 4.4 stars on Amazon, and it has 40 pieces. So we're going to start reviewing now. So this is like a squishy thing, or do I open this? Yo, open it. I have this fidget toy, and when you squeeze, it looks weird, but then when you squeeze it, a squirrel comes out. Let me try. It's really weird. I wouldn't like it as a toy. Oh yeah, that's weird. Yeet. And then I have this pop tube. Let's see how this works. Okay, pretty cool. Let's see how this slimy. It feels so weird. Let me try it. This is boring. It's just like, it's slimy. It's sticky and slimy. I think it's like slime with pebbles. Yeah, no, I wouldn't like that. Yeah, I wouldn't like that. Let me try. Kids, do this on the table so it doesn't get on your carpet or floor in case you have an animal. I mean a pet at your house. Okay, so I'm going to be trying out that slimy thing now. You know, I actually like this. This is really cool. Okay, so this is, again? A snake. No, not a snake. Yeah, a snake. A snake something, yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah, this is safe, but like, don't make it into a weapon. And then, don't do that, kids. Oh, I want to try that. This is a puzzle ball. So look, in fact, so like, you push this black one down, see? You push it down, you move it to the side where you want, and then you grab another one, and then you push it. There, now I just solved it. Now you do that again, and then again, until you solve it. What's really cool about slimes is if you want to start making different colors and all that, you could start mixing them together, and it like, makes a really fun color. So this great thing is a squishy toy. Wait, does it stick? No, it doesn't. It doesn't stick, kids. So you stretch it. Don't stretch it too long so it snaps in your hand. Yeah. This is fine, but let's do another one. Now we're gonna do this box right here. It is a 4-point 36-piece stress, hunting, and gift exchange. It was $25 and has 4.6 stars on Amazon. Now let's open it. This is a heart. You squeeze it, and you can work your muscles. Oh, I just found something really cool. This is a fake metal fidget spinner. All you need to do is spin it. This is a pocket. You pop stuff, you pop it, and then when one side is finished, you flip it over, and correct side, grab your finger and pull it down on the table. Okay, these are some cool squish balls. Let me open them and see. So this is a yellow tennis ball one. Squish it. It's fine. It's good. If you like have trouble listening or controlling yourself, you could get some of these. It could like help you if you want to relax or something. You could also throw them. It's really fun. Yeah. And these are monkey noodles. All you need to do is stretch them. It's really fun for if you want to like play with them. That just it's a wall. Yeah, it did. You could also like do what I'm doing right now. You could just like. This is a yellow fidget spinner. It's basically the same as that other metal one we have. Okay, so yeah, this it's a wacky track. You can play with it. You can look. So you bend it. You can twist them. So you bend it down, and then you turn it. Bend it. Okay, and this is a pop it. All you need to do is pop the little bubbles, and yeah, it's weird. So far we did 2 boxes. We got 2 left. These boxes were pretty good, but I think the other 2 boxes that are left are gonna be better. Yeah. Okay, on to the next box. Okay, so we're getting so many puzzle balls. Okay, so this has 4.6 stars, 16-piece fidgets, and it was $15 off Amazon. All off Amazon. Yeah. Oh, this one has water in it. Wait. Okay, another puzzle ball. Normal. These are like little squish marble meshes. These are marble meshes. There's a ball in a little tube, and all you need to do is just mesh the ball around. What's really bad about these things is if you have a pencil, you could easily get the ball out, and it's really hard to put the ball back in, so I wouldn't like it. This is like a hair tie, but you play with it. Don't stretch it too far, or else it will snap. This is a pop tube. You go like this. You go like this. 911 with your emergency. You can scream in your ear. Hi. This here is death now. How do you open this? And the last one. This is a fidget sensory toy made in China. Made in China. It was $28 on Amazon. It has 4.5 stars on Amazon, and it's 41 pack fidget. So this said it has Among Us. So this is the infinity cube. You just look. So you go like this. You go like this. Go like this. Start all over. You go like this. Go like this. Go like this. Start all over. So this is a little marble maze. You kind of make it if you want to, you make your own maze on here. You try to get it through. It's really hard. This like push a piece and then it comes out.
Oh, you know, I didn't learn how to do that.
And then like I already reviewed an Infinity Cube, but I think this Galaxy one is way better. It moves better, it feels better. This is a keeper. Yeah, no, this is hard. If somebody knows what this is, tell me, but I'm just gonna call them little tangly things.
So I'm guessing you kind of just connect them or something? What? Whoa, wait. I think you just kind of stretch them or something.
I just saw dust. Look. Oh, dust! Look. Oh, well. We'll just call them the dust makers for now. Okay, this is an Among Us Poppet.
It's just a poppet. It's a rainbow poppet.
It's a rainbow poppet, so it's cooler. Yeah, rainbow poppets are always cooler. You can't change my mind. This is like one of those, like that. You kind of just shake it up and down. I don't know. It's cool. Yeah, you could try, but it's hard. Then, oh, I got it. Wait, this. This, you squish it. You go like this, then air comes out. You can like get one, and then you can like, oh, let me try that.
Yeah.
A squishy toy, yes.
No, that's it.
This, it's hard to squeeze, just like the baseball.
Then let me feel the difference.
No, this one is harder.
Really? No, they're both the same.
So that's this. This. You can connect them, but they won't connect. Yeah, these ones are too slippery. So now we've reviewed every box. Now it's time that Michael and me say which box we like the most and why we liked it.
I think I kind of
like the box with this, the Infinity Cube. I like this fidget box, the one we opened last the most. I think it was really fun and it had more fidgets, and these fidgets were better. So I think this box was the best.
What do you think was the best?
Wait, is it with this? Yeah, that box.
Why do you like it? Why do you like this box?
Because okay, so yeah, Infinity. Now we have reviewed everything, and we like this sensory box the most. Now we could say bye now, and we're just gonna play with the toys after. Bye.